Have you ever looked at your bank account and thought, this can't be it? I'm 58 years old, and my husband and I found ourselves in a spot that we never thought we'd be in. Working hard, doing everything right, and still barely keeping our heads above water. We weren't living fancy, we weren't careless, but the cost of living just kept climbing, and our savings, it was getting drained faster than we could replace them. If you're feeling that too, like you're doing everything and it's still not enough, stick with me because we found a way that's finally moving us forward. Here's what no one tells you. Even when you do save, even when you do plan, it doesn't always cooperate. Even little increases in gas, food, and utilities, it just keeps chipping away. Month by month, we started seeing our savings just continue to go down, and we were just trying to keep up. And then you start thinking, is this it? Is this what we worked for? We weren't behind because we were irresponsible. We were behind because the rules changed and no one gave us the new game plan. It's not just the numbers that weigh on you. It's the uncertainty. The nights laying awake thinking, how long can we do this? Or what happens if one of us gets sick? We wanted more than just surviving. We wanted to travel, spoil our grandkids a little bit, and just to finally be able to breathe. That version of retirement was starting to feel like a fantasy, and we felt stuck. Like the window was closing and we were running out of time. So we got honest and we said, what if we were to try something new? Not a lottery ticket, not a scam, something that gave us control on our terms. We needed to find an income without adding another extra 40 hours a week or putting everything we had at risk. And that's when we found it. An online business model designed specifically for people like us. People in their 50s or 60s who are smart, capable, but tired of systems that don't work. We found a system that was already built. No products to invent, no websites to build from scratch, and no sales experience required. It's a simple digital system that runs 24/7 and brings in profit from programs that are already done for you. All we do is plug in and follow the steps. Now we spend 2 to 3 hours a day on it. That's it. And the difference it's made, incredible. We're not millionaires yet, but we don't live in fear anymore. We're rebuilding slowly, confidently, and that hope, priceless. I think the reason this actually works is because it's built for people who have been through the ups and the downs. We didn't have to become social media influencers. We didn't need a big following. We just needed a clear roadmap, the right tools, and support from people who get it. It's not overnight success, but it's real. It's a real thing. And when you've been stuck for so long, just knowing that there's something that works, that's everything. If any of this feels familiar and you're sitting there nodding your head and thinking, that's me, then I just want to tell you it is not too late. You don't have to worry the next 20 years, worrying about every dollar. There is a path, and it doesn't involve starting from scratch, burning yourself out, or taking wild risks. It's simple, it's smart, and it's working for us. I'm not a guru. I'm just a regular person like you who found something that makes sense. And if it worked for us, it can work for you too. If this spoke to you, if you're ready to stop surviving and start living again, I want you to check out the link down below in the comments. It will take you to a free video that explains everything. It walks you through the system, how it works, and how you can get started, even if you've never done anything online before. Please don't wait till things get worse. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. Thanks for being here. I'm rooting for you, and I hope to see you on the other side of this link. Put ready in the comments if you'd like more information.